Good day, my lovely people of Carnegie TV. Reporting for Carnegie TV, today we are celebrating the Zazoo Cronner Portable Omo olalomi. We wish him happy birthday, many happy returns. So what I want you to do for me is to go down to the comment section and drop a birthday wish for him. I pray we all live to witness more fruitful years on earth. In case today is the first time on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Enjoy the video. God bless you.